Hello friend, welcome back. Now we have added a very much needed feature in TestCase Studio. It will be recording the browser details, OS details, screen resolution and timestamp. Because generally what happens like whenever you record any test case or file any bug, it is very much needed by the developer that and in fact by as a testers as well we need this information that what was the like browser on which we were testing, what was the OS version, what was the browser version, and at what time we have recorded this test case, as well as what was the screen resolution at that time. If we get this information without putting any extra effort, it will be very helpful for us. So now we have added this feature. So let's say you're doing any testing, so what you have to do, you just start the test case studio. You see it open like this, and now if you start clicking here and there, so this is recorded. Now if you download this test case, let me download and open XLS file, you will see that the information related to like what is the OS version and in which OS we were testing. So you see that here OS, what was the OS, what is the browser and browser version, OS and OS version, browser and browser version, what is the screen resolution on which we are recording, and at what time, what date we have recorded this, as well as the time format as well it takes for like your local time zone, that also it records. So this is now very helpful that whenever you will be recording or filing any bug, you will get this information. You will not have to look for, because generally it is always being asked that what was the browser, what was the browser version in which you were testing, in which you got this bug, what was the OS version, in which OS you were testing. So all this information you will get in one go. This will save a lot of time for you, and it will also help while filing the bug, while sharing the information and the testing details with other people or the developer or testers. So now you have seen that this information you get from like Test Case Studio when you download the XLS. If you want to see that information right up front here, that feature is also available, but for now that is available in Pro version. So whenever you will open Test Case Studio Pro, you see that you see this information right there up front. You can also copy this information and paste it to developer that this is the information, because sometimes it happens that you want to quickly get the information, all these information from your system, off your system. So what you can do, like you just start Test Case Studio Pro and you will get this information right here. And if you download the XLS or whatever you do, there also of course you will get this information. So this is much helpful. Hope you enjoy this video and this feature. Please let others know about this innovation. It will help a lot of people to save more time. Please do like the video and subscribe and share with others. Subscribe and turn on the notification so that you don't miss any upcoming updates and innovation from the SelectorsHub tools site. And there's a new tool, Testing Daily. If you haven't tried, do try it. Add it in your browser, and next time whenever you will open new tab, you will get the latest testing feed here like this. And if you want to open any website, that you can do. Here you will get the download link of Testing Daily. With that, thank you so much.